Alright, back to changing the filter. Got your filter under your house. Change it when the pressure gets low. Use something similar to this 10-inch cartridge, 25 micron rated. Anything lower will stop up really quick. And only change your filter when you notice a significant drop of water pressure in your house. Sometimes it lasts 3 months, 6 months, even sometimes a year. But it's good to at least change them once every 8 months. I'm going to show you how to change it. Turn the breaker off to the well pump. Open up any water lines in the house to let the pressure off the system. This has a quick disconnect here for the well. Turned it off. Here's the ball valve. If you need to turn it off, you can, but if you cut the power off and drain the whole system, you don't have to worry about cutting that off. This is the normally on position. Pressure says 0. Filter here. No pressure relief valve. Some have them. We don't, because once you push them, sometimes they won't stop leaking. And grab a hole with both hands. They should be hand tight. Both hands, and turn your hands. Ring them. If you're looking up, you'll be ringing them clockwise. And take it off. If you want to, you can bring a little pan to catch some of this water. Water usually dries up really quick under here anyway. This filter needed to be changed. They added iron and normal sediments, but it was definitely due for a change. Double O-rings on there. Make sure they stay. Some filters have an O-ring that is just around the lip here, and if you dump the filter out, they'll fall out. And if you don't have that on there, they'll leak forever. So this filter, and don't worry, that's normal when it looks like this. The more you use water, the better it filters. So we'll rinse this out and then put the new one in there. It's got a centerpiece. That's where you line that hole up with, that centerpiece. And then there's also one of those in there that you line it up with when you screw it on. Okay, as you can see, I got the new filter in here. It's lined up in that hole in the bottom. Then you get it level. It's easier to do with 2 hands, but I can do it with one. You can kind of tell once it lines up with that centerpiece in the top. It goes on a whole lot smoother. And keep tightening, and you get it hand tight. Once you get hand tight, you can check for leaks after you turn everything back on. But to tighten it more, you will need to depressurize the system again before you can try to tighten it a little more.